Executive Summaries, May 2026 edition.
Water, sustainability and the future of apparel industry. As Bangladesh enters the heart of the monsoon season, rain once again reminds us of nature's generosity and also of our responsibility. Water is not merely a resource for life, it is the lifeblood of agriculture, industry, ecosystems and human civilization. Yet across the world, including in our own country, water pollution, wastage and unsustainable industrial practices continue to threaten this precious gift. For the apparel and textile industry, the conversation around water has become more urgent than ever. The global fashion industry is among the largest consumers of fresh water, and within the apparel value chain, denim manufacturing remains one of the most water-intensive segments. From cotton cultivation to dyeing, washing, finishing, and chemical treatment, enormous quantities of water are used every single day. Excessive groundwater extractions, discharge of untreated effluents, and inefficient production methods can create long-term environmental consequences if not addressed with sincerity and accountability. Bangladesh, as one of the world's leading garment exporting nations, now stands at an important crossroads. The future competitiveness of our industry will no longer depend solely on cost efficiency or production capacity. Sustainability, environmental compliance, responsible water management, and ethical manufacturing are rapidly becoming defining benchmarks for global buyers and consumers. Encouragingly, many Bangladeshi factories are already leading positive transformation. Investments in effluent treatment plants, ETPs, water recycling technologies, low liquor dyeing machines, laser and ozone finishing in denim, rainwater harvesting systems, and green factory certification are gradually reshaping the industry's environmental footprint. These efforts deserve recognition and wider replication. However, sustainability cannot remain limited to a few showcase factories. Water conservation must become an industry-wide culture. Every drop saved in washing, dyeing, finishing, and daily factory operations contributes toward protecting our rivers, groundwaters, and future generations. Equally important is ensuring that industrial waste and chemical discharge do not pollute the waterways that millions of people depend upon. Compliance today is not only about meeting audit requirements, it is about building resilience, reputation, and responsibility. International markets increasingly expect traceability, environmental stewardship, and measurable sustainability commitments. Factories that embrace water-efficient technologies and transparent environmental practice will ultimately be better positioned in the evolving global supply chain. At this critical moment, collaboration is essential. Manufacturers, brands, policymakers, technology providers, workers, and consumers must collectively promote sustainable water uses and stronger environmental governance. The industry must move beyond reactive compliance toward proactive stewardship. This rainy season should therefore inspire reflection. While nature replenishes our rivers and reservoirs, we must ask ourselves whether we are protecting the invaluable resource with the seriousness it deserves. I would like to conclude my note by wishing our readers and well-wishers for the second largest Muslim festival, Eid ul-Adha, Eid Mubarak. Let's learn from tradition and religion. Wastage is a great sin and water is life. No way we can overlook the importance of water conservation. The future of apparel industry will not be defined only by how much we produce or consume, but by how responsible we manufacture, considering the future generation's prosperity and success.